Hello and welcome to beautiful, if rather buggy this morning, Nova Scotia. So I am planting climbing beans this morning. Did a video after a couple of months ago now where I planted up these climbing beans, both runner beans, my favourite, scarlet runner beans, and these ones on the end, these purple climbing beans, beautiful, beautiful purple flowers and beautiful tasting purple fruit. And I put some in these toilet rolls as well, but only 2 of them have come up. They dried out a bit quick and I've been away on business and didn't get a full to look after them properly, but most of them have come up. So anyway, I'm in my climbing bean frame area, sort of a couple of raised bed area next to my old greenhouse, and every year I grow the climbing beans here. As you can see, they're looking rather good last year. Great crop, always get a good crop. And you know, runner beans are good, as I call them, good doers. Always, you know, if you look after them, give them plenty of water, good bit of sunshine, they will produce and produce and produce all the way until the first frosts. So a really good plant to grow, really easy to grow, really, I think. You know, I can actually put, in fact I will anyway, plant a couple of seeds later as well to get a sort of a different crop. So, as you can see, let's use this one here. I planted these in these root trainers because your runner beans like a nice long root run, and they're also quite easy once you've planted them and they're ready to go out. Just take out and plant in the soil, voila, as you can see. So that's good, and you know, it's pretty easy. All I'm going to do, if I had something to dig with, is I'm going to plant this just on the edge of the upright, because I want them to go on the upright, and they'll start to form different tendrils as they go up. So lean it in slightly, and then I'm just going to plant these. So I always like purple beans at this end for some reason. So let me put a purple bean here. Lovely purple flowers on these, and the hummingbirds absolutely, you know, the bees always love them, but the hummingbirds absolutely love the runner beans and the purple beans. Love the flowers, that is. So there we go, I've got 2 here for some reason. I'm just going to plant them both. So there we go again. As you can see, just leaning in to the actual upright, and then they may need tying in, just that for the first foot or so, but after that they'll soon start to wrap themselves around the upright, and by the end of the summer they will be all the way at the top, as you can see from before. So let's plant them. I've got peas at the end here, just some twiggy sticks that I'll just put in there, and the peas will clamber up on this side. Sun's at that side, so I don't want to shade any plants that I have growing along there. Let's put the rest of these runner beans up this side. Tell you what, it's rained last night, so it's a bit of a damp morning. It is black fly and mosquito city, hence obviously the mask. That's the only bad thing about living in Nova Scotia, you know, this time of year, is the black fly. Mosquitoes I'm not too worried about, you know, they're annoying, but lots and lots of black fly. Got to put the mask on, and you've got to have long sleeves on all the time. Right, let's get this one at the end. Right, I'm going to go water these in, and that essentially, let's put this last one in here, that essentially is it. I'll plant some along that side, and I'll have them all coming over a nice little tunnel of beautiful red flowers and then beautiful hanging fruit all the way from sort of mid-July, yeah, I reckon about mid-July-ish, maybe August, all the way through to September, October time. And absolutely love runner beans, and you can, you know, freeze them to preserve them all the way through the winter. You know, and then I can have nice runner beans all the way through the winter. Like I said, a great doer, beautiful plant to actually see with the beautiful red flowers and the purple flowers of the purple ones, and the hummingbirds like them. So, you know, what is not to like the humble runner bean? Job is definitely a good one.